Well, hello everybody. Hello again, hello again, hello again. So, you guys know I'm all about trying. Let me get over here so you guys can see me. Let me squeeze into my corner here and show you what this box is about. You know I'm all into, can you see me? I'm all into convenience. And I saw this Martha, supposed to be Martha Stewart, and Marley spoon box, and they had a deal where for $18 was your first week. And of course, like every other one, you can put them on hold to see if it's what you really like, so you're not ordering anything else. And I just figured I would unbox it with y'all and let y'all see what I got for $18 in one of those food boxes. So this is what happens when we open it up. The first thing I see are my recipes, which I'm throwing at you today. So, first recipe, grilled Philly pork hoagie with garlicky broccolini. And I can tell you right now, one of the things I can tell you that I do like is that the recipes are separate from the packaging of the food. They're on top of the box lid here. And then the second one is sumac grilled chicken with Israeli couscous salad. Something new. I have never eaten that. I would have never known to make it. It'll be something new to try. Now, I'm also sampling Home Chef. But right now, this unboxing is from Martha and Marley spoon. I am not affiliated. I tried their little free get for $18. This is what you get. So, see if we can do this so you guys can see without hurting my hand or my wrist. Next one is going to fall. So this is how it comes packaged. Where, okay, this doesn't really feel that cold in here. That's kind of scary. Now it's colder at the bottom. Okay, so I have one meal and two meal. It looks like a garlic fell out. My garlic fell out, but there's garlic. Look at that, it's a whole garlic. It's not just a clove. It's growing into the piece. I love garlic. Can't really smell them. I have to break that open. So there we go. Let's see what's in bag one. What is this? Okay, this is for the sumac. Oh, I can feel the coolness coming out of here now for the meat. Sumac grilled chicken with Israeli couscous salad. Let's see what comes in the bag. I know this is very awkward, but I'm trying to do this just one-handed. Let's see what we got in the bag. First thing we have is first thing in the bag is baby arugula. I'm assuming that's arugula. Because if that's sumac, I'm not eating it. I'm pretty sure that's baby arugula. That's 3 ounces of arugula. Then we have something I'm not too thrilled with the way it looks. Martha Marley spoon. If you're going to give me ingredients, how about we make them good ingredients? That don't look too promising right there. Look at that. That's my mint. Look at it. This is supposed to go in my food. I understand they gave me a discount because but that doesn't mean they wouldn't keep me. They should give me stuff that's already going bad. Look at that. That's not good. And it was sticking out. So anyway, packaged like Home Fresh does, though. But theirs was sealed when I got it. Then we have dried cranberries. And then we have couscous. Oh, Israeli couscous. So this ain't like that other couscous I had. So this ought to be interesting. Ought to be very interesting. And are these almonds? I can't eat almonds. They're almonds. I gotta crush them up real little and then eat them. But there's almonds. And a lemon. Okay. And then, of course, let's see what the chicken looks like. So now this is supposed to be one meal for 2 people. Oh, it didn't call for garlic in here, did it? No, I think the garlic goes with the other one. So the only ingredients I need to get to go with this is coarse kosher salt, freshly ground pepper, olive oil, and sugar. No biggie, right? Right. Let's see what the chicken looks like. One ice block. 2 ice blocks. I guess I should just get up. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Oh, wow. So there's my chicken for one night. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. Two of them. Which anybody who knows how I eat. Well, those ice packs are really big. But I think I prefer the other company's way of doing it because it just seems more, I don't know. So, and then there for the next dinner is the pork tenderloin. That's the pork tenderloin for the next dinner. Which, here's my garlic. Let's see, grilled Philly pork hoagie with garlicky broccolini. So, comes with 2 hoagie rolls, hurt and wrist, domestic paprika, something I can't read. Oh, hot sauce. That won't be getting used in my meal. And broccoli. Oh, broccolini it's called. Looks like broccoli to me. But okay. That wasn't a whole lot of ingredients in that at all, was it? So anyway,